Assalamu alaikum everybody, it's Jenna G. That's me, the Jab from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. Now you're probably wondering why am I in the car, not in the kitchen or something. Well, this morning I woke up and I was like, okay, I'm gonna just be doing some videos for you all today, different videos and different cooking videos. And then my mommy called and she's like, come, what are you doing today? She's making dal and rice and curry duck and caraille. I said, caraille? Now I like caraille, but you know, why not go get a little tutorial from one of the best cooks ever in life, my mommy. So I'm heading there now, and we're going to be doing and learning about some caraille today. Hi guys, so I'm here by mommy, and well, she already sliced up the caraille, but this is what it looks like whole. And so she sliced it up and she put it out in the basin, put some salt in it, and put it out in the sun to get rid of the bitterness, because caraille is a very bitter. So you leave it out in the sun for a little while, about an hour or so, as long as possible, to get rid of most of the bitterness. Right, so now we're going to be cutting up garlic and onion to put in it. How much caraille? Well, this is also called bitter melon, and I know there's a lot of different names for it too, bitter melon or caraille as we say in Trinidad. So how many is it?
I think it was 2 pounds.
2 pounds. And then we have like 1 whole onion we're using, and 2 cloves of garlic, and we have to add pepper and pimento. She crying with the onion. It's pepper. But this is one of the things I keep telling you all to do. Cut up your pepper and put them in bags. So it's just, you know, especially when you get scorpion pepper, and you don't really get hot pepper all the time. Once you get your hands on some hot pepper, just chop it up and freeze it. So it's just a matter of taking out how much you want when you're getting ready to cook. Some oil. You could use coconut oil. It's a lot of oil you have to put in it.
Yeah, because you have to fry it.
Because this could burn very easily, so you need to cook it on slow. So you have a good bit of oil there in the pot. And what do you have to do now?
We have to squeeze the caraille.
So you're going to squeeze out
as much of the liquid from it.
Oh, so there's, and then we can make a caraille juice after.
Yes.
So you're just going to squeeze it out.
Squeezing it out may just get the bitterness out of it.
So if you just leave it, it'll just be bitter.
Yep.
It won't affect the cooking time, like it'll make it mushy or anything?
No.
Okay. And so you're just going to basically squeeze out all the caraille or bitter melon juice from it, and you could save that juice to use later. And this is what we're going to be cooking or using in our caraille dish. So if you don't want to be using your hands, you could just put it in like a kitchen towel, just to, you know, squeeze it out if you don't want to be using your bare hands to do it. And this is going to like fry down to next to nothing.
Yes.
Like bhaji and okra and all these other stuff. These onions going in. Right, so okay, so I just taken my turn at it. Onions are nice and brown. So just adding in all the caraille carefully. Don't want any oil splashing up. And then you're just going to and the heat right now is a little between low and medium. Turn it all up. Now it was looking like a lot of oil, but when you mix up everything, does not seem like that much. Okay, so we just add it in here, right? Normally I have the average taste, so
A little black pepper.
so no water will just spring out from this, or no juice
No.
while cooking, right? So you're just going to
Let it cook on low heat.
just cover it or leave it uncovered.
You need to leave it uncovered.
So this bitter melon or caraille takes a while to cook. Now, as I said earlier, you don't want to put it on high heat because it's going to burn and not cook properly. So we're going to leave it for a while, and you'll see as time goes by how it's going to be changing. And you know, it should take about an hour, yeah, that long to cook, and we're just leaving it on covered. Alright, so this is what final product Caraille looks like. Eating it with some coconut chutney, curry duck, dal, rice, some watercress, lettuce, and cucumbers.